Today, we at Basic Copper are going to show you how to make a copper Christmas tree ornament like this one. This is a simple project, but it makes a perfect personalized gift you can give friends, teachers, co-workers, family, and anyone on your list. Here's what you'll need: 5mm copper sheets, a ball-tipped embossing stylus, a paper stump, embossing pad, scissors, a lightweight wood Christmas tree cutout, a bottle patina solution in green, paper towels, glue, sandpaper, ornament hanger, and ribbon. Also, I'm wearing gloves to help protect my hands. The first step is to cut out your Christmas tree. Just place the Christmas tree cutout on top of the copper sheet on your embossing pad, and then trace around the edge as close to the wood as possible with your embossing stylus. Apply enough pressure so that you have a clear outline to work with. Once you have the complete outline, then cut out the tree shape using scissors. Follow the outline you traced, but cut inside the line so that your tree is a bit smaller than your wood cutout. This will allow it to sit on top of the wood and not hang over the edges. Next, use the paper stump to smooth out the wrinkles on the edge. Then take the embossing stylus and press a line into the copper that follows the edge, just a little bit inside the outside line. This makes a nice looking edge, and it also prevents sharp edge from standing up. After you've outlined the whole tree, turn it over and use your paper stump to smooth out the edges even more. And just go all the way around. This will be the front of your tree. Now turn the tree around so that you're working from the back. Use the embossing stylus to draw in some branches. Drawing these onto the back of the copper will mean that when I turn the copper over, the branches will be raised from the copper sheet. When you're done, just turn the tree back over, and you can now use the paper stump in between your branches just to make them more pronounced. Just smooth the copper out around your lines. This is also a technique you can use between letters or designs that you emboss onto the copper. If you want a two-sided tree like this one, you will repeat the process of cutting out a tree and then emboss that tree however you like. You might add a name, a special date, a Christmas message, or someone's initials. After you have embossed the trees, apply the patina solution that will turn the copper green. Place the copper on the protected surface like this plate that I'm using. Squirt a little bit of the solution onto the copper and then dab with a paper towel to remove the excess. You can also apply the solution with a foam brush or a paintbrush. The solution will start to change the color immediately, but it can take several hours for it to reach the full color and to dry. You may want to leave it overnight and then pick up the project again the next day. Once the color has developed and the copper is dry, use some fine-grained sandpaper or a sanding block to remove a little of the patina solution where the branches and other embossed areas are raised from the copper surface. This will make it stand out more by allowing some of the original copper color to show through. Rub lightly so you don't remove too much. When you're done, You'll want to brush off any loose particles, and then you're ready to assemble the ornament. I am using hot glue to attach my tree to the wooden cutout. You could also use contact cement or even Elmer's glue. Once assembled, you have the option to spray on a clear coat. The last step is to attach a ribbon and ornament hanger. At BasicCopper.com, we currently have a kit available that contains most everything needed to make this ornament. You can use the same technique to create other shapes and designs. In addition to this video, we will have full written instructions along with pictures and more information about completing this project on our website. Please visit BasicCopper.com again to check out more videos for different copper projects in the future. Thanks for watching.